Blessed love, smile Jamaica. So this one is for all the independent ladies out there, the trailblazers. Sometimes we make the most difficult things look so easy, so people have opinions, you know? But great things are right around the corner for everyone. Alright. Yeah, put your heart and your soul in everything you do, yeah. Cause we living a life and so we leave a legacy. Heavy styling, see me on the road and you don't say a thing. We draw for the real ones, money can't change. No study bad mind, it will take your energy. Give me old string sing, cause we eye on the prize. Them can't deny that, pressure bust pipe don't stop. And if you don't know me now, don't check me later. Cause we living a life and so we leave a legacy. Every time we blaze it up, yeah. Song selector, want to when you do damage. I've already with the blessing in my cup. True, who job bless them think is a fool, but wait to know. Great things come late to know. And I don't want it if it's fake. Fake, so hold the love, true the rough. Cause every time we blaze it up, yeah. Sound selector, want to when you do damage. I've already with the blessing in my cup. True, who job bless them think is a fool, but wait to know. Great things come late to know. And I don't want it if it's fake. Fake, so hold the love, true the rough. You turn sideways, phantom of the opera. Never too long till I see them true face. But birds of a feather don't say a word. Brother, Father, forgive my past. Make the devil get behind me. You don't mean me no good. Your mouth like waterfall. While I levitate, 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 yeah. Oh, ever ready with the blessing in my cup. True, who job bless them think is a fool, but wait to know. Great things come late to know. And I don't want it if it's fake. Fake, so hold the love, true the rough. So wait to know. Great things come late to know. I don't want it if it's fake. Hold the love, true the rough, yeah. Put your heart and your soul in everything you do, yeah. Cause we living a life and so we leave a legacy. Put your heart and your soul in every single thing that you do. Yeah, ladies. Cause we living a life and so we leave a legacy.